Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this men's hair clipper set. So I already had the set for over 3 years now. Here's the clippers. It has a nice design to it on the front. It's how the back looks. Here's the clippers. It has a different angle adjustments. It has a different clicks. This is the on and off button. It shows the power and the battery percentage. And if it needs oil, battery life on these clippers are very good. Nice and cordless. Here's the charging port for it. And it has a little hole to hook it on the hooks if you need to. And it brings the assortment of hair combs from 1 to 8. I'm using the clippers to show you how well they cut. Very nice hair cutter. Overall, this is a great hair clipper set. I like how sharp that the teeth are. They don't pull my hair when I'm cutting it. And I like how the battery life lasts a long time and it charges very quickly. And I like how it comes with the assortment of different combs for the clippers. This is a great buy.